Hello everyone. Today we have to understand this a spreadsheet formulas and function. ये चैप्टर 2 क्लास 8 के लिए है। अ, आप देख सकते हो इसमें हम लोग सीखेंगे एमएस एक्सेस में कुछ फार्मूले और फंक्शंस यूज़ करने के लिए। सबसे पहले व्हाट इज़ एमएस एक्सेल? कैन यू टेल मी? Very good. MS Excel is an application software and it is also called package software as it comes in Microsoft Office package. Let's see what we are going to understand in this chapter. The first one is formula, then what is cell range and what is cell, then editing in Excel means how to uh, edit the things, correct the things in Excel, functions, and then what are the different types of formulae, uh, cell referencing, and the types of cell referencing that we are also going to learn in this chapter, undo and redo commands, error messages in MS Excel 2010. Okay, so students, let us learn now. Here what is written: MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet application software. It can be used to quickly record and manipulate large amount of numerical data and convert it into useful meaningful information. So for definition you can write what is an MS Excel. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet application software and it can be used to quickly record and manipulate large amount of data of numerical large amount of numerical data and convert it into useful and meaningful information. So this is the definition. You should remember it. You can write in your own word also that I had explained earlier. Different formula and function can be applied on the data to achieve the desired result. So there are different formulas and application that is available in this MS Excel, and we can use those functions and formula to manipulate our result, to edit our result, to arrange our result, to manage our result. Okay, these formula calculate result automatically if changes are made to the content of the related cell. So this formula automatically change the result when you change the value of the cell or the content of the cell. Let us learn the step to create formula and use function. So students, in the earlier classes, means in class 7, you have already seen the use of sum formula and average formula and many more. Now let's see how to make the formulas. First of all, what is formula? You can learn the definition, you can underline it. A formula is a user defined expression that can include cell references, letters, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses that let you perform calculation in a worksheet. So what is formula? Formula is a combination of these things, and it is used to calculate, and we can say it is used to perform calculation in the worksheet. This is the definition. You can write, and you can write in your own word also. So after the formula is typed into the cell, the calculation executes immediately and the formula is visible in the formula bar. So in MS Excel you can see what is formula bar and what is, I had explained you earlier. Let's see what is the formula bar, where it is MS Excel. See, in my computer it is MS Excel 2013. In book it is explained about Microsoft Excel 2010 yani 2010, but there is no many differences because both the software belongs to Microsoft company and have too many similarity. So just see, I will explain you when it will open. What are the elements of a formula? A formula in a cell must begins with an equal to sign. So you should remember it. Without equal to sign, formula is not written. Equal to sign is essential, and it should be given in the beginning of the formula. A formula in MS Excel can contain any or all the following. What should be in the formula? There may be cell references. Cell references what? Referring to the cell or to one cell or a group of cell. For example, see A5. It is referred to only one cell, and here A1 to B2. It is a range of cell, means their group of cell is known as range of cell, and single cell is single cell. So we can use cell references in formula. And what are the operators? You know, in mathematics, plus, minus, into, divided by, and combination. These are the operators which operates in mathematics or in calculation. So we can use the first one that we can use in formula is cell references. The second one is operator. Now the third one is constant. What are constant? Constant are the quantity which do not change its value. Okay, they are the number or the text value that can be entered directly in a formula, such as 5 or Amitabh. So 5 cannot be changed, means it has fixed value. Amitabh, it is the name and it cannot be changed. So here Amitabh is regarded as constant. And what we can use another thing, that is function. Functions are predefined formula in Excel. Details of function will be explained later. Okay, so functions are the predefined formula, means it is already kept in the computer or in MS Excel library, from where we can use the formula to do the calculation according to our requirement. So when we when we talk about cell address, so here you can see there is constant equal to symbol in the starting. See, this is the example of formula that you have already used in previous class, 7th class, sum formula. Okay, and it is explaining about the different part of the formula. Here equal to sign, and then we have mathematical operator, that is plus, minus, whatever it is. Okay, and here it is constant, a1, a2, b1, b2, like that. Then we have function also. Another way to write formula is equal to sum. Okay, here we have used operator, plus operator 2 times, and here we have used function, sum function. Okay, so sum E3 to ES or E5, whatever it is. You can look into your book, E5 it is. Okay, so we can use this different way, means either we can use operators, means we can have our own formula, or we can use function also, ready-made formula that is kept in the computer. Now what is quick way? The order of operation in Excel. See, in mathematics you have also learned this. First, what we do, first of all we do the function of bracket, then the function of exponent, and then multiplication, then division, then addition and subtraction. In BoardMass it was similar, but there was no exponent. So you should learn it, that after parenthesis means inside the parenthesis we use exponent first, and then multiplication, and then division, and then addition, then subtraction. This is the order of using uh, formula or different operators. So now the types of formula. What are the different types of formula? There are two types of formula. First is basic formula and second is compound formula. Okay, now student, I want to show you what is formula bar. Here I have already opened. Okay, this is blank worksheet. See here what it is written, fx. This is called formula bar. Okay, this one is called formula var. Okay, and whatever the formula we write here, it appears in the formula bar. For example, I am writing the formula h1 2 h4. Okay, and then enter, and it gives me 0. Okay, when we click here, we can see the formula in the formula bar. If we write here the number, any number, for example 2 3, again 2 I have written 3, then and then 5 or 4, then it automatically add the number. There is no need to write once again the formula, and it automatically calculated 11. Okay, and here we cannot see the formula is seen here in the formula bar, and here we see the result. So those student who was new to this MS Excel, they can revise, or those who do not have any memory of the previous class, they can have benefit of this practical session that I am giving with the theory. Okay, now see what the type of formula. So basic formula. What are basic formula? It contains only one mathematical operations. For example, equal to a2 plus a3 plus a4. It is the basic formula. Means here we are using directly the operators and the cell. Okay, cell address, that is a2 a3 or the cell address. Okay, is a basic formula as it contains only addition. Compound formula. Compound formula is the formula which contains more than one operator. It contains more than one mathematical operations. For example, here you can see here multiplication and then here addition. There are two types of operation here, and again we are using the cell address a2, a3, a4. Okay, is a compound formula as it contains both addition and multiplication. So this is the definition for basic formula and compound formula. If it will be asked in your question, you have to write answer from here. Now, how to create numeric formula? Let's see. Let us take the example of the mark sheet and calculate the total marks obtained by each student. To understand the concept of a formula, the step to enter formula are. So here we are preparing report card. You know very well one mark sheet that have the record of the marks that you have fetched in your examination or got in your examination. See, type the given data in Excel worksheet and select the cell in which you want the sum of the cell. In this example, it is cell F2. So in F2 we are writing the formula here. Okay, or the book is telling that the book has explained with the help of writing the formula in F2. See, when we open Excel, it looks like this, and we can see here this is F1 and this is F2. How we refer it? F is here and here 2, so F2. Okay, so like this we write the formula. Here we have written the subjects marks. For example, in Hindi we have written this Hindi marks for 3 students, Vikas, Sumit and Swati, and then we have entered the marks here, and we want the sum total of these marks here in F2, the first sprint for Vikas, and then we copy this formula for the 3 and it automatically set in all the cells. Now see how to write the formula. Type the equal to sign equal to operator in the formula bar. It automatically appears in the selected cell. Okay, here we will type in the formula bar, but it when the for the first time when we are writing the formula here by selecting this cell, this formula will also appear here in the cell as we write in the formula bar. Means at the both place it will be seen here. Okay, type the references of the cell separated by the operators. Here we have used B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. We can see here this is B2, this is E2, B2, C2 and D2 and E2, and we are writing the formula in F2. Okay, now let's see further. Finally press the enter key, and then after writing this formula, what we have to do, we have to press enter, and the Excel will show the result exactly. Now the compound formula. Let us create a compound formula. Now we had calculated the sum total in F2, and we are writing again another formula in G2 for calculating the compound for giving the example of compound formula. What we have to type? F2 divided by 400 into 100. What it will show? It will show the percentage of your marks or percentage of the marks that the Vikas have obtained. Okay, so here again you have to write in formula bar, and it will be shown in G2 also. Then press enter key to view the result. After pressing the enter, you will get the result here only. Okay, so the next one is creating text formula. This I will explain you in another class. For today I think it's enough. Keep on reading, and I will give you more lessons. I will complete this chapter on Monday, and try to do this whatever it is I am telling you where to do. Try to do objective question of this relation. Okay, brain booster. Okay, brain booster you have to do if you can. Okay, this is your homework for today. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Bye bye.